What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Beat Making Mondays. Today we are making a beat. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I flip-flop between genres way too quickly. One week it'll be all about boom bap, the next pop, and then boom trap. So that is kind of what I want to make today. I want to make something along the lines of like a Migos inspired, Migos type beat, something simple yet trappy. Now, as always, we have some drums, so let's check them out. Let's go. And that's it, guys. Let's check it out. All right, so this beat was actually really simple, and we started out with some keys that I got from Silent. Let's see. I actually got these from Marvin's Room OVO Preset Bank version 1. This is one from Superstar, so you guys can pick that up if you'd like. But those keys by themselves sound like this. And by the way, we're in the key of G minor. And that just repeats. And the next thing we added were some bells. These bells are from Expand. And this is the wet music box that you can find in the mallet section. So actually, it might just be mallets and not bells. But together, that sounds like this. And that repeats again. Moving on down, the next thing we added was a soft synth. This one was kind of like the lead for the hook, and I actually got it from Silent again. The preset bank was the OVO Only in October, another preset bank from Superstar, so there's that. And by itself, that lead sounded like this. And then together with everything. Next, we added some drums, so we got a kick and a snare, and that sounds all together like this. Added an open hat. Close hat. Last but not least, we added an 808 and a crash just to finish everything off, and the whole beat again sounds like this. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this beat, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, but I will see you guys on the next one.